Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to allow unknown sources applications on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. So in order to do this, we're going to have to unlock developer options on our TV. So from the home screen, go to your settings, navigate to device and software tile and open it. Then open About section and press OK button or the middle D-pad button on your remote control until you see you are a developer notification on your screen. Then you can go back and open developer options. In developer options, select Install Unknown Apps, and you will see the list of applications that can get an allowance to install unknown applications. Usually it would be either a downloader app. If you have it on your TV, you can download it from the App Store, from the default App Store. And also the different file explorers and managers can also get this permission. So in order to give any application a permission, you just have to click on it and to change its status to on, and then this application will be able to download applications from unknown sources and install applications from unknown sources. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.